Skin experts recommend a consistent anti-inflammatory skincare routine to reduce redness, pain, itching, and other inflammation symptoms. Vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E are all valued for their skin-enhancing, antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin A is found in the form of retinol. Vitamin C is one of the strongest antioxidants supporting collagen synthesis, and vitamin E is known for calming and soothing irritated skin. Vitamin B3 is the star ingredient in products designed for uneven, hyperpigmented, and acne-prone skin, whereas aloe vera deeply hydrates the skin, helping it combat environmental pollution and heal faster. Chamomile, olive leaf, and tea tree are also some of the natural ingredients you can highly benefit from. Products which have proven as uniquely anti-inflammatory are the Regenerative Skin Nectar by Alastin, Clarify Blemish Retinal Serum by Osmosis MD, as well as the Osmosis Replenish Antioxidant Infusion Serum. Skin inflammation symptoms range from mild, such as redness, dryness, and sunburn, to chronic conditions like rosacea and psoriasis. Many natural ingredients help relieve inflammation. However, for more immediate and long-lasting results, you can also consider going for an anti-inflammatory facial or procedure. Whether your skin concerns are age-related or caused by other factors such as inflammation or hormonal imbalances, there is always a solution for your aesthetic goals.